Good morning, guys. In this video I'll be talking about excision repair process in microbes. Okay, this term is very much related to the mutation, any kind of a mutation that will cause the damaged DNA or something like that. Okay, or in case of the bacteria or archaea, if there are some factors which actually make the damages in the DNA, the damaged DNA, that will be excised. So the process by which damaged DNA is excised, okay, and replaced by using complementary DNA strand as template. Okay, so first thing, the damaged DNA will be excised, means the cut off, it will be removed. Okay, and then the cell that will utilize different enzymes and the complementary DNA strand, okay, as a template and make bases, okay, or replication starts, the repair process that will start and generate the exactly complement basis using the complementary strand as a template. So that is the excision repair system in the bacteria or archaea. So in this way there are different types of repair systems I'll be talking about and uploading few more videos. If you really like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Have a good day.